This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Natalie Etheridge. Very well cared for 3-bedroom brick ranch home located in Western Branch area of Chesapeake. This property has a large shed/workshop, 197 square feet, and attached garage approx. 684 square feet, and carport approx. 367 square feet, on a large lot. This home has a nice sunroom that is heated and cooled and a deck that could be great for entertaining and relaxing. Nicely updated kitchen with granite countertops, newer windows and original hardwood floors under freshly cleaned carpets. The neighborhood is located near schools, employment centers, transportation routes, and most other major support facilities. Call today for an appointment to see this home. November 7, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Etheridge at 757-547-1234.